everyone. Welcome to Bruhan Mumbai Municipal Corporation's Virtual Training Center, and I am Mrs. Nehal Kodambe, your English teacher from VTC. Let's begin with today's session. Everyone, welcome to today's session. My dear children, in our book on page number 15, there is an interesting activity. Let's look what is that activity is. Here is the activity which is given to us on page number 15. Complete the remaining blocks determining the types of news. So there is a web. Okay, you can see. And the topic of it is types of news. And two examples are given to you. Business news and sports news. And in the remaining blocks you have to fill with the different types of news, that is other types of news. Now this question 10 has three sub-questions. This is A. What is given in B? Read the following headline and write a news report. So there a headline is provided to you and you have to write a news report according to or supporting to that headline. So different columns are provided to you there. And the C question is read the following headlines and write the deadline, intro and a short continuing paragraph. So if you go through this question, you will come to know that you have to learn different parts to solve this question. That is types of news, what is an headline and news report, then how to write news report with the help of these points, headlines, deadline, intro and continuing paragraphs. So to help you doing this type of question, because such type of questions are asked in your exam. So to help you to do this question, in today's session we will learn in detail about the types of news and how to write a news report. So let's begin with today's session. So in today's session we will deal with news report, how to write a news report. बघा ही जी ऍक्टिव्हिटी आहे पेज नंबर 15 वरची, ही करण्यासाठी आपल्याला वेगवेगळ्या गोष्टी माहिती असणं हे खूप गरजेचं आहे आणि म्हणून आजच्या भागामध्ये आपण ते डिटेल मध्ये पाहणार आहोत. We will begin with what is report writing. Now in today's session we are supposed to write news report, but before that we should know what is report writing. Report writing म्हणजे काय आपल्याला माहिती असेल तर आपण आणखीन डिटेल मध्ये जाऊन न्यूज रिपोर्ट म्हणजे काय हे जाणून घेऊया. So here there are two things which will clear to you what is report writing. A report is a statement of the results of an investigation or of any matter on which definite information is required. What is a report writing? A report is a statement of the results of an investigation. Someone has investigated something, okay? Or of any matter on which definite information is required. बघा आता मागच्या सेशन मध्ये आपण rumor म्हणजे काय हे जाणून घेतलेलं. ओके, rumor is baseless. There is no proof whether it is true or not. That is why it is rumor. But when you write a report of anything, then behind that investigation is there and this report is scientifically based on the investigation and you should have definite information in your hand and then only you will write the report. Or a report is a systematic, well organized document which defines and analyzes a subject or problem. So these are two different definitions of report writing which clears that it should be a systematic, well organized document and it should be having investigated information in your hand and it should be analysis of a subject or a problem. जेव्हा तुम्ही रिपोर्ट रायटिंग कराल तेव्हा त्याच्यामध्ये सायंटिफिकली इन्व्हेस्टिगेटेड इन्फॉर्मेशन तुमच्या हातात असलं पाहिजे. कोणत्याही ऐकीव माहितीवर विश्वास ठेवून आपण रिपोर्ट रायटिंग करू शकत नाही. So here comes the different type of media. See, nowadays we are more exposed to internet, television, radio, magazines and newspapers. So these are different type of medias through which we get information of different types of or in different fields. Okay, so whenever you go on and search on internet, you get to know what is happening on the international level, not only in country, not only in town, not only in your village, but on international level what is going on, some new inventions or something happening new, whatever field, any damn field, you get to know through the international internet search, right? Then on television also we used to get different type of news in different language, and they are the reporters of the television or the news reporter from the television, they do investigate on that, they do visit to that particular area and they find out their what is on the root of that news, and then they keep it in front of the viewer, right? On radio also same thing happens. In magazines, there are different articles which is based on environmental studies or historical news or geographical news and so on. And daily newspaper provide us what is happening on village, that is local level, on our state level, national level, as well as on the international level. So many among us, they are habitual to reading the newspaper. So newspaper plays an important role in everyone's life who wish to know what is happening around the world. बघा इथे डिफरंट टाइप्स ऑफ मीडिया आपल्याला इथे दिसत आहेत, पण त्यातला सर्वात जास्त वापर केला जाणारा मीडिया म्हणजे न्यूजपेपर. आणि तो आतापासून नाही, फ्रॉम एन्शंट टाइम पीपल आर रीडिंग द न्यूजपेपर, राईट? आणि ह्या न्यूजपेपर हिस्ट्रीचा आपण 9th स्टँडर्ड मध्ये अभ्यास केलेला आहे. So today we will know more about writing the news report. We will see what is a news report or how to write it, what are different elements, what are different features, and how you can make your newspaper report attractive. So here we will begin with writing a news report. आता हे तुम्हाला लक्षात घेणं किंवा शिकणं खूप गरजेचं आहे बाळांनो, कारण आपल्याला परीक्षेमध्ये हा क्वेश्चन अटेम्प्ट करायचा आहे. So watch it carefully. We will find out why report writing or news report writing is a task. हा एक टास्क आहे, त्याच्याबद्दलची थोडीशी माहिती आपण पहिली जाणून घेऊया. A news report is a writing task which looks for factual information. Factual, what has happened actually, what is the fact, organized in a certain way, in a systematic way. The topic is provided for you. आता आपण इथे पेज नंबर 15 वर जो क्वेश्चन आहे त्याच्यात बघा आपल्याला टॉपिक दिलाय, म्हणजे हेडलाईन दिली आहे आणि मग आपल्याला त्याचा रिपोर्ट बनवायचा आहे. सो द टॉपिक इज प्रोव्हाइडेड फॉर यू इन द फॉर्म ऑफ अ हेडलाईन, ओके, and a photograph. It is given, you are provided with a headline and a photograph. It is usually about a community event. It is not necessary that it should be a community event, but it is usually. Then it should be a minimum of 3 paragraphs. आता 3 paragraphs कुठचे कुठचे मी तुम्हाला डिटेल मध्ये सांगणार आहे. The first paragraph should answer the questions who, what, when, where and why. So your first paragraph will be answering this question. 5 WH questions are there. I'll repeat that: who, what, when, where and why. The next, that is following paragraphs, provide additional information on these 5 W's, okay, and details on how the event took place. आता एखादी हेडलाईन आपल्याला दिली असेल तर त्या हेडलाईन साठी आपण हे 5 प्रश्न विचारायचे. परीक्षेमध्ये जेव्हा तुम्ही अशा प्रकारे लिहाल तेव्हा हे 5 प्रश्न लक्षात ठेवा आणि त्या 5 प्रश्नांच्या उत्तरांची अधिकची माहिती आपण पुढच्या पॅराग्राफ मध्ये द्यायची. Ensure you provide direct quotation from eyewitnesses, participants and or experts. The most important information should all be provided near the beginning and the least important information near the end. आता हे जे आपण त्या न्यूजची मांडणी करणार आहोत, while placing that you should remember that the most important part of that information should be provided or placed in the beginning, and the least, that is less important part, will be kept at the end. Okay, and you must relate your newspaper report to both the headline and the picture. If you are provided with the headline, you relate with that. But if you are provided with both the things, headline as well as the picture, then your news should be related to both the points. समजा परीक्षेमध्ये तुम्हाला एक हेडलाईन दिली असेल तर तुम्ही फक्त हेडलाईनशी संबंधित न्यूज डेव्हलप करायची. पण हेडलाईन आणि पिक्चर दिला असेल तर दोन्हीचा संबंध तुमच्या रिपोर्टमध्ये आला पाहिजे. Now we will find how the news reports are found in newspaper. Okay, आता न्यूज रिपोर्टचे काही इम्पॉर्टंट फीचर्स आपण बघतोय. न्यूज रिपोर्ट्स आर फाउंड इन न्यूजपेपर्स and their purpose is to inform readers of what is happening in the world around them. Okay, we have seen this. News reports have a certain structure that you need to follow. Just now we have seen what is to be put at the beginning and what is to be put at the end. Okay, but it here while placing this, certain structure is there. This structure is sometimes called the inverted pyramid. आता जेव्हा आपण न्यूज लिहिणार आहोत तेव्हा आपल्याला एक सर्टन स्ट्रक्चर फॉलो करावा लागतो. काही पहिलं, काही मध्ये, काही शेवटी, असं नाही. तर तो जो आपल्याला स्ट्रक्चर आहे त्याला इन्व्हर्टेड पिरामिड असं नाव दिले. पिरामिड म्हणजे काय, तुम्ही इतिहासात पाहिलं इजिप्तचे पिरामिड वगैरे, बट इट इज अ इन्व्हर्टेड पिरामिड. हाऊ इज दॅट? आय विल शो यू सम फॉर्मॅट ऑफ दिस इन्व्हर्टेड पिरामिड. Look here. This is the inverted pyramid. So while writing a news report, you will follow this pyramid. So most news stories are written in the inverted pyramid style. You can see here. Okay. This means all the important information, most of the 5 W's. Just now we have learnt about the 5 W's. Who, what, when, where, why. And last is H, that is how, can be found in the lead. The information and quotes are added according their importance. The least important information can be found at the bottom of the story or pyramid. आत्ताच आपण हे पाहिलंय की जे महत्त्वाचं आहे ते आपण वर मांडायचं आहे आणि ज्याला कमी महत्त्व द्यायचं ते आपल्याला खाली लिहायचं. आता ह्या पिरामिड मध्ये त्याची मांडणी कशी केली आहे बघा. हेडलाईन विल बी कम at the top of that. Okay, then after that comes a lead line. आता तुम्हाला हे मी सगळं डिटेल मध्ये सांगणार आहे. Then follows with the two paragraphs that will contain important facts, that is what. Okay, then comes the facts according to their importance. So the last fact will be the less important, or it has the least important fact. Okay, so in this way you have to arrange for the inverted pyramid. Your news will be come in this format. I'll show you in detail. We will see in first 5 W's. We have to answer these 5 W's. That will be the important fact of our news. Who, what, when, where and why. This should all be included in the first paragraph. Okay, and with that you include the date and the location. Then it will follow with the, this is where you list the second most important information. Then go into more detail about the event. Okay, तुम्हाला ज्याच्याबद्दल लिहायचंय ते आता तुम्ही सेकंड पॅराग्राफ पासून लिहायला सुरुवात करा. Then it will follow with other details. Go here, perhaps a second quote. Okay, and then comes the lesser details. Then you will place it there. So this is what inverted pyramid is. सर्वात महत्त्वाची माहिती सुरुवातीला थोडी त्याच्यापेक्षा आपल्याला ती माहिती डिटेल मध्ये द्यायची आहे ती सेकंड आणि थर्ड पॅराग्राफ मध्ये, आणि शेवटी तुमचं कन्क्लुजन जे काही असेल कमी महत्त्वाचं ते खाली येईल. This is known as inverted pyramid and we should use it while developing the news report. बघा आता न्यूज रिपोर्ट म्हणजे काय, तो इन्व्हर्टेड पिरामिड मध्ये कसा लिहायचा याचं आपण स्ट्रक्चर बघितलं. आता ऍक्च्युली काय लिहायचंय ते बघा. हाऊ टू ऑर्गनाइज न्यूज स्टोरी इफेक्टिवली. Important at the top, just now we have seen, and least important at the bottom. Okay. Now here how you will arrange. First of all you will put or place the picture. एखादी न्यूज स्टोरी तुम्हाला पिक्चर बरोबर दिली असेल तर ते पिक्चर तुम्ही सर्वात सुरुवातीला ठेवायचं, कारण त्याचं डिटेलिंग आपल्याला खाली द्यायचं. त्याच्यानंतर आता आपण जे 5 Ws बघितले त्याचं क्वेश्चन, ते जे क्वेश्चन आहे ते क्वेश्चन नाही लिहायचे, त्याचा आन्सर आपण तयार ठेवायचं, अँड दॅट यू विल पुट इन युअर सेंटेन्सेस. ओके. देन इट विल फॉलो विथ द पॅराग्राफ वाय अँड हाऊ. आता हे कसं करायचंय आपल्याला मी तुम्हाला ती न्यूज करून दाखवणार आहे, पण त्याच्या आधी हे पॉइंट समजून घ्या. देन इन थर्ड पॅराग्राफ the quotes will come. In fourth paragraph the less important information, and fifth paragraph the least important information. Okay, so in this way you will place the information or the news story. Then there is a template for a news report. Template a format. Okay, आता आपण जे पिरामिड बघितलं ह्याचेच पॉइंट्स आपण आता जरा डिटेल मध्ये बघूया. ते मी तुम्हाला स्ट्रक्चर दाखवलं. नाउ वी विल सी और अंडरस्टँड व्हॉट इज द टेम्पलेट ऑफ दिस. आता जे आपण पॉइंट्स बघितले ते काय होते ते जरा आपण थोडंसं डिटेल मध्ये बघूया. फर्स्ट द हेडलाईन, हाऊ द पिरामिड विल बी. देन डेटलाईन, हेडलाईन मध्ये आपलं टायटल येईल. डेटलाईन मध्ये तुम्ही लक्षात ठेवायचं आहे डे, डेट, place and resource. Okay, that is Monday, and what is the date, where is the place, if it happens in Mumbai, Pune, Nashik, Solapur, Alibag, or whatever thing, whatever place. And why you should put day and date together? Because only putting the day is not enough, because there are 7 days per week and it will follow with the next week, so their date should be mentioned. That date is very important. Then the next point is lead line, that is the beginning sentence of a news story are everything. Okay, the beginning sentences of a news story, very important thing. Here with your news report begins. Lead line is very important. Then intro. In intro, this paragraph you will cover maximum WH questions. ते जे WH क्वेश्चन हु, वाय, व्हॉट, वेन, हाऊ आपण आता बघितले त्याचे आन्सर्स आपल्याला ह्या इंट्रो पॅराग्राफ मध्ये द्यायचे. बघा, हेडलाईनने आपण सुरुवात करणार, त्याच्या खाली आपण डेट लिहिणार, प्लेस लिहिणार, कोणी ते लिहिलाय रिपोर्ट ते रिसोर्सेस आपण लिहिणार, त्याच्यानंतर आपली लीडिंग लाईन सुरू होणार. त्याच्या नंतरच्या पॅराग्राफ मध्ये इंट्रोडक्शन मध्ये इंट्रो पॅराग्राफ मध्ये आपल्याला WH क्वेश्चनचे आन्सर्स लिहायचे आहेत, आणि नंतर शॉर्ट कंटिन्यूइंग पॅराग्राफ मध्ये आपल्याला त्या न्यूजची डिटेलिंग द्यायची. आता जेव्हा तुम्ही हा व्हिडिओ बघाल, तुमच्याकडे जर एखादा न्यूजपेपर असेल, इफ यू हॅव एनी न्यूजपेपर ॲट युअर होम, यू कीप विथ यू, आणि मग ते टॅली करा तुम्ही. मी जे सांगते ते आणि ती न्यूज कशी डेव्हलप केली आहे रिपोर्टरने, हे जर तुम्ही समोरासमोर सायमल्टेनियसली पाहिलं ना, तर तुम्हाला हे पॉइंट्स जास्त चांगले कळतील. Then we will know about elements of writing a news report. आतापर्यंत आपण how to write a news report पाहिलंय. Now there we will find out some elements of writing a newspaper. We will learn more about them. The news report, certain things you will remember. What are those? We will find it out. We will learn them. The tone must be factual and informative. Okay, it must be factual and informative, as if you are giving some information. Then no opinions of the reporter are allowed. बघा, तुम्ही जेव्हा एखादा न्यूज रिपोर्ट लिहाल तेव्हा त्याच्यामध्ये आपले ओपिनियन्स, आपली मतं द्यायची नसतात. फक्त काय घडलंय ते सांगायचं असतं, आणि तुम्ही त्याची बातमी देताय असा तुमचा त्याच्यामध्ये टोन असला पाहिजे. Then come the next. Specific details must be included to make the story clear. Whatever story you are developing there, you are giving, you are writing in the news report, then you should give specific details so that people can believe that such thing had happened somewhere. Then it will follow with the language must be formal. You should use formal language for that. You should never use the informal language. See, we have learned the two types of letters, formal and informal. Then there we have learned that we have to use formal language while writing the formal letter. So in news report also you have to use the formal language. News report लिहिताना formal किंवा official language चा वापर करायचा. भाषा आपली तशी असली पाहिजे. Write in third person. Okay, that is told from someone who was not involved. Here, this point will support to the above point that no opinions of the reporter are allowed. Okay, as if someone is telling it to you and you are just writing it. So write in third person. Never use I, we, you. Right. Okay. So use in third person. No slang or short forms. It should sound academic. Slang language means very informal or rough language. You should not use such type of language and avoid using short forms also. It should sound academic. आपली जी पुस्तकातली भाषा असते तशा प्रकारची प्रोफेशनल लँग्वेज तुम्ही इथे वापरली पाहिजे. And no personal pronouns, that is I, we, me, are. Okay, that's why it is given that you should use third person. Okay, you should write your report in third person and never use personal pronouns that I am telling you or we are supposed to. No, strictly no for using personal pronouns here. Learn some more speeches about that. A newspaper article is usually constituted with these key parts. The headline, how it should be. It should be a short, attention getting statement about the event. Then the byline tells who wrote the story. Here the reporter's name will come. Who is writing or who is telling you more about that. See on television channel also you see that someone, suppose Vijay or some reporter is telling, then he will say that here Vijay from Mumbai is giving you the or telling you the story of such event. Okay. So in this way in news report also you have to write the byline. Then the lead paragraph contains the what happened, where it happened, when did it happen, who was involved in that, and how did it happen, and why. Right? So here, just now we have seen the pyramid, and in that pyramid, these points we have seen in short, but here in detail I am explaining you that the headline, it should be a short and attractive, attention seeker. While the newsreader will focus or they will glance at the headline, it should be more creating interest to go through the news. Then the byline, who is writing the report, the reporter's name. Then it will follow with the lead paragraph. And here in this paragraph, you will be answering those WH questions. Okay. Then we will see that while writing news report, don't waste or make the report too long. It should be short or people will lose their interest. Keep the sentences short and punchy. Okay, punchline should be there. Read back over your report to make sure that it all makes sense. It should be sensible, not senseless. Check your facts. Check your spelling. Finally, think of a good headline for your report that will grab the attention of your readers and will make them want to read it. So now, after learning in detail what is the meaning of news report, how to write that, what is an inverted pyramid, then how we should place what should become at the front or at the top, what should become at the bottom. Now we will move to the practical session of today's session. That is, we will solve the activities on page number 15 in our book. So we'll begin with A. Complete the remaining blocks determining the types of news. So two types of news are provided to us. We will fill the boxes with remaining. So third type is international news. Here what is happening on the global level or on the international level, we get to know about through the international news. Then there are political news. There are different types. Political are there, social are there. Okay, and as international, there are national news are also important. Then there are environmental news and national news. So these are some other types of the news, you can say, that people will get to know through your news report what is happening on the international level, what is happening on the national level, in political area or in environmental level. So environmental questions are also very important, my dear children. As you know, every year we see or we read that there is scarcity of water throughout the country, not only in our country but on global level also. So we need to read more about that so that people can take the steps. Okay, so these type of news is not just we read and forget it, but certain amendments or certain steps people are going to follow after reading these news. So such some important news I have placed in front of you. आता आपण हे पाहिल्यानंतर या प्रश्नाच्या पुढच्या भागाकडे वळूया. See there two more types of news, health and educational news. Okay, now we will move to the next part of this question. Just now we have seen the format of news report. Now we will write according to this. Okay, title, source, intro, then the body of the report, conclusion, and sometimes recommendation. So we will begin with headline. What will come in this section? See, in headline, headline is used in the report must be catchy. Just now we have seen that. It must be attracted or it must attract the attention of the reader. तुमची हेडलाईन वाचल्यानंतरच जे रीडर असतात त्यांना पुढे काय असेल या न्यूज मध्ये याची उत्सुकता निर्माण झाली पाहिजे. It contains 5 to 6 words. Attract the reader's interest by telling what the story is about. It should not be very lengthy. It should be very short and catchy, and it should have just 5 to 6 words, and through those words you should make your reader to know or to read the story after that. So there should be curiosity that what the story is about. Okay, so your headline should be catchy. Byline. See, in our book byline is not given, but here I'll explain you because this is also very important. Bylines, since this is the news article, reader need to know who wrote it. See, on television, as we discussed earlier, the reporter introduces himself. Okay, but here in our news report we have to mention the name of the writer who has written that news. The line with name of news report writer on it called byline because it tells by whom. Bylines means by whom this report has been written. Okay? And write the word by, then write the first and last name of the news writer. Suppose if the name of that news writer is Vijay Chauhan, then you will write this report. Okay? And by, then put there some dash and first and last name of that news writer. Then we will move to the next point. See, the next point is dateline. Very, very important part of the news. It contains date, day, place and resources. We have discussed this earlier. So dateline is very important part of the news report. Follows with the intro. In this maximum WH questions, you have to answer the maximum WH questions there, and it will set the scene and summarize the remaining point of the article. Okay, Whatever you have to tell about the headline, you can write in this paragraph. Like what, where, who, when, etc. So ask this question to yourself and write the answer. जेव्हा आपल्याला इंट्रोचा पॅराग्राफ लिहायचा असतो तेव्हा हे WH क्वेश्चन आपल्याला लक्षात घ्यायचंय आणि तिथे लिहायचे नाहीत क्वेश्चन, पण त्याचा आन्सर लिहून तो एक पॅराग्राफ सारखा आपल्याला तिथे लिहायचा. सो इट कंटेन्स मॅक्झिमम WH क्वेश्चन. Follow with short paragraph. Here you have to provide extra detail about the event. In particular, it answers the question how and why. You can add more information by adding what a person like witness, expert has said about the incident. There will be a speech mark. आपल्याला जे दोन पॅराग्राफ असतात हेडलाईन बाय लाईनच्या नंतरचे, त्या दोन पॅराग्राफ मध्ये आपल्याला जी न्यूज लिहायची आहे त्याच्याबद्दलचे डिटेलिंग WH क्वेश्चन लक्षात घेऊन त्याचं कसं बायफर्केशन करायचं इथे हे मी तुम्हाला दाखवलंय. Then comes we will see what are the steps. Just now we have discussed headline, byline, deadline. Here you can remember the short form PDM. Don't write in news report, but just remember that place, date and month, PDM. Then intro, just now I told you, covering maximum WH question. Then short paragraph, here in detail you have to write about the headline and the last paragraph. Here remember that conclusion means you will not give your own opinion. We will move to the very important part of the question, that here we will actually write the news report with the heading provided to us in our book. Okay. See here how we can write it. Before developing the story, I'll show you something. See here, our news. Tiger attracts 8-year-old at Rajiv Gandhi National Park. So this is the headline provided to us in the book. Okay. So this is the headline. Then just now we have learned about the byline. How you will write the byline? See, by XYZ. Here I am not mentioning any name. Okay. Here you have to write the reporter's name. Then it will follow with the deadline. See, 16th October. Whatever the date is. Then comes the intro para. आता मी तुम्हाला इंट्रो पॅरा म्हणजे काय ते सांगितलंय. त्याच्यात तो कसा लिहायचा ते बघा मी इकडे तुम्हाला लिहून दाखवलंय. डेटलाईन मध्ये आपण PDM बघितलं. प्लेस, डेट, month 16th October, Mumbai. Okay. Now it will follow with the intro para. A 8-year-old boy was attacked and killed by tiger on Friday evening at Rajiv Gandhi National Park. So here we have now started writing the news report. Now this will relate directly to our headline. Okay, tiger attacks 8-year-old at Rajiv Gandhi National Park. So here we are writing in little detail. Okay, a 8-year-old boy was attacked and killed by tiger on Friday evening. Here we are giving more details at Rajiv Gandhi National Park. Then it will follow with short paragraphs. The Mumbai forest range said the incident. Now here we are giving the details. The incident took place around 6 p.m. Gaurav Naresh Gupta came to evening walk in the park and was attacked by the tiger and suffered many injuries on his neck. See, remember that your sentence should be simple and short. Then they rushed to nearest hospital, but he was declared dead. Now you must be thinking what we will write in conclusion para when we are not giving our opinion. But see how to develop that paragraph. Gaurav was grabbed and took by tiger few meters away from his family members. Chauhan Ramchandra, the forest officer, said the boy was deadly injured and died at the spot and a complete investigation will be done. So here you can see we are writing as third person is telling you about the event. Here you have just collect the information and you are keeping it in the front of the reader. So in this way you will develop your news report. आता आपण आजच्या सेशन मध्ये न्यूज रिपोर्ट म्हणजे काय, त्याचे काही एलिमेंट्स, काही फीचर्स जाणून घेतले. तो पिरॅमिड मध्ये कसा मांडायचा याचे विविध पॉइंट्स आपण पाहिले. त्याच्यानंतर आपण पुस्तकातल्या ऍक्टिव्हिटीज तुम्हाला मी ऍक्च्युअली कसं करायचं हे इथे दाखवलंय. ओके, तुम्ही अशा प्रकारची कॅची हेडलाईन घेऊन असे रिपोर्ट लिहिण्याची प्रॅक्टिस करा. Now here I'll show you one more report with picture. Okay, आपण हे पण पाहिलं की पिक्चर आणि हेडलाईन दिली तर कसा रिपोर्ट लिहिला जातो. बघा इथे तुम्हाला एक मी न्यूजपेपरचं कव्हर पेज दाखवलंय जिथे ही न्यूज कव्हर केली आहे. हाऊ मच इज दॅट डॉगी इन विंडो. ओके, आता बघा इथे पहिलं न्यूजपेपरचं नाव जे काही असेल ते XYZ, मग तिथे हेडलाईन दाखवली आहे हाऊ मच इज दॅट डॉगी इन द विंडो. Then here reporter's name, that is byline. Okay, then this is the opening para, what we call. Here comes the dateline and the byline, then the lead line, then here comes the article. बघा इथे पॅराग्राफ केलेले आहेत 1 2 3. त्याच्यानंतर इथे आपण सुरुवातीला जसं म्हटलं की पिक्चर ठेवायचं आहे, हेडलाईन नंतर पिक्चर आणि त्या पिक्चरला एक कॅची कॅप्शन द्यायची. ओके, आणि मग तुम्हाला जास्तीचं जे काही मांडायचं आहे ते खाली इथे एक्स्ट्रा इन्फॉर्मेशन मध्ये मांडायचं. अशा प्रकारे आजच्या सेशन मध्ये आपण न्यूज रिपोर्ट म्हणजे काय आणि कसं लिहायचं हे डिटेल मध्ये बघितलंय. तुम्ही हा व्हिडिओ पहा, यू वॉच दिस व्हिडिओ, यू रिवॉच इट, अँड ॲज आय टोल्ड यू कीप a newspaper with you simultaneously. You can check it the points what I'm explaining you here and practice these type of question with more catchy headlines. That's all for today. So you will revise whatever we have learned in today's session. Please subscribe the channel and press the notification button to get the link of next video. Bye bye.